sweatproof foundation, but your makeup starts melting as soon as you go out. Welcome to the series where I teach you terms that makeup brands talk about but nobody explains. So, if you want your makeup to be sweatproof, always use a light moisturizer. A lot of people think sweatproof makeup means your face won't sweat. But that's not the case. Unless it's not magic, it's not happening. Use a gripping primer or a mattifying primer. So, the sweatproof makeup means your formula is designed to handle sweat without breaking apart. Always use a skin tint instead of a foundation. This is lighter than foundation and gives a very nice skin like finish too. So, yes, your skin will sweat, but your makeup won't slide off. A little bit of loose powder to set all the creams. And last but not the least is a good setting spray, which will set all your makeup and make your makeup sweat. Follow me for episode 2, and I'll see you.